got some leaks. I know. It's a kludge. It's just a test of principle and size and concept. And I really wanted to show it without leaks, but I can't. It's too kludgy. But I can show you the bits and pieces that make this whatever it is. And it's not pretty, I understand, but to appreciate what we're trying to achieve here, I think is important. There's the heater, all right? Ooh, it's still warm too. Oh, look at that, it melted my plastic. I left it on too long. Oh, good to know, a little soft there. Ooh, look at. Ah, it's soft. Oh, it's coming off of my hand. No, it's glue. All right. At any rate, tape on this heater is not good too. But in any case, adapter, this thing I can take off. There's the fan. And let's see if it's still wired up enough. Oh, God, I got tape on everything now. Okay. There you go. See that fan spinning in there? Woo! Okay, so I put it on a plate. You see the plate? Put it into an adapter. Built some interfaces for airflow. I used the copper tube just for this piece because I had it and it worked. And then I added, you can't see underneath, if I can get it off maybe. Ah, it's glued down. There's an air channel underneath for fresh air to come in. And that's what I got done before the Gestapo comes down here to arrest me for messing around. And I actually used my old mounting bar, so not too shabby. Anyway, that's as far as I got. Now what I'm going to do is take what I know works here physically and conceptually, and then I'm going to package it into something like that, which I'm pretty sure is going to fit most of the engines. Yep, should fit most of the engines. And then we'll have something to talk about one of these days, another day or two. But there it is, working prototype, barely. Proof of principle, we'll call it that. And it's okay. It's okay. Let me hold on a second. Yeah, I can get that off. I wanted to get it off so you could see how it's encapsulated. There's the air inlet. Aha! Ooh, it's a little wet down there. See that little channel there? That's how the air gets in. And there it comes out. Ooh, it's still soft. Ooh, not good. All right, later. Bye.